Stay tuned to find out what bag has stolen my heart away from the Chanel Jumbo. Hello my darlings, it's Dion Dean back with another video. I'm back with short hair, darlings. Yes, Celia is gone. My husband doesn't like a wig or a weave. He's like, baby, I need some scalp, okay? He was tired of fighting with the wig. Plus it was really hot. It's like 190 degrees in South Florida. And so wearing a wig really wasn't that practical. But, you know, I'm back with my hair. And plus my hairdresser said my edges were suffering. And I said, oh no, we're not messing with my edges, honey. No, there'll be no rubbation of the edges. Anyway, the RealReal. This app on my phone. Oh my gosh. So you guys know that when I thrift, or for those of you who are new to my channel, items that I thrift are luxury items, premium designer items. I ship off to the RealReal, and I get paid out whenever something sells. I get paid out 50, 60, whatever percentage. And instead of cashing that out every month, I leave it there as a little kitty for myself. And so that's how I purchase my Louboutins. That's how I purchase whatever shoes and handbags that I want that are premium handbags. Instead of spending my own cash, I just leave my winnings. I just leave my earnings from my consignment, what I've consigned with them, on that site. And for the most part, it's really been for my Chanel Jumbo, and even more so after I went to the boutique, the RealReal boutique in Soho, New York Fashion Week, when they invited me to come and see the grand opening of the boutique. I was like, oh my gosh. And I tried on my Jumbo, darling. I tried it on. I might insert a picture somewhere in here. But I tried on my Jumbo, and it just felt like me. It just felt like this is where it needed to be, right on my arm. So when I came back from New York, I was like, I'm really going to hunker down and save for my Jumbo. The Chanel Jumbo is right up there with like the Hermes Birkin, the Hermes Kelly. Like, these are just classic bags that are never going away. And so I was just like, I was happy. I'm gonna save, I'm gonna save, I'm gonna save. Fast forward a couple months ago, I was scrolling through. They had a sale, RealReal, on the RealReal app. They had a sale, and I was just scrolling through, looking at the bags and the shoes, as I always do, and the jewelry, and I saw this bag. And it was so fabulous because there are not too many. I really haven't seen any bags that kind of match the same look as the Jumbo, that are leather, that are like a quilted leather. I hadn't seen anything like it. And so I was scrolling through, I saw this particular bag, and I was just like, something within me was like, yes, I must have that. So I bought it. And so this is the Rebecca Minkoff affair bag, the large affair bag. I've seen smaller versions of this bag, and they're cute, but the large affair bag, darling, this is my new Chanel Jumbo. Yes, 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 yes. I love this bag. This is, I'm gonna do a little fashion show for you after this, but oh my gosh, you can wear her short, you can wear her long. She's just been a blessing to my life. I love her. This is what she looks like on the inside and on the back, and she's leather, and she feels, oh, she just feels so good and heavy and beautiful. Ooh, 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 ooh. But it doesn't end there. She has studs on the front. It doesn't end there. So I fell in love with this bag, and I was like, oh my gosh, I just need one like in every color. So, oh, she was $90 and 25% off, I believe. So I said, oh, I need one in every color. So I waited, and I waited, and I waited, and I waited. And I kept checking the site because they have a bunch of affair bags, but the large affair bags, they don't seem to get that often. So I waited and waited and waited and waited. And then someone released their bag to the RealReal. And so I went ahead and bought her in red to match my lips. And she is gorgeous. She came last week. And oh my gosh, this red, oh my gosh. And the inside, the thing that I love about this inside is that the blue with the red just looks, oh, this is what she looks on the inside. Oh, the blue with the red, and it's just, oh. And this is just a tag that says, an expert is behind every item. You see that? And so you have to see her on. I'm gonna try her on for you guys. But I was smitten because I have never seen a bag of this size. I've seen some faux bags. I've seen a smaller version of this bag, and they're cute, but you know, I'm a larger woman. I need a bag. That's why I love the jumbo, because it's just like the bag speaks for itself. You'll be wearing an outfit and you walk in with the jumbo and it's like bam, like the bag introduces you, right? And that's the way I feel about this bag. When you're wearing it, it's just like the bag is going before you. The bag introduces introduces you. It's like ladies and gentlemen, Deanna's here. That's what this bag says every time I wear it. And so, no, I'm not going to pull out another bag. I know you're going to be like, girl, you better not. You best to not have bought 3 bags. I did not. This one was $100. And because I wasn't waiting for this to go on sale, because in my mind they go so quickly, I was like, I'm not gonna wait for the RealReal to go on sale. So this was $100, and then they had a 20 off discount, RealReal discount, and so I got her for I think $80. I think that's what it is, something around there, because it was $125, and then I got 25 off, so it was $100. So I'll try this on for you guys so you guys can see it. So then, you guys know that I love a statement shoe. I feel like you could be wearing all black, whatever, what jeans, whatever, and you put on the right shoe and it makes your whole outfit. So I had these in my watch list, like my little heart list. If you guys are on the app, you know what I'm talking about. And these went on sale, and I immediately bought them. These are a Parenza Schooler, and I'm not going to say I think they were 100. I'm not sure. And number 21 kind of is the one that put this kind of wrap thing in the fashion game. I'm sure other brands have done it, but they are the ones so far who are like the kings of that. And so I actually tried on some number 21 shoes when I was at Harrods in May of last year, and I was like, oh, I gotta have this shoe. And so when I saw this is Proenza Schooler. Let me show you the inside. Proenza Schooler. When I saw this, they were so reminiscent of it, and at that price point I was like, yes ma'am. You can see it has a little bit of wear on the bottom, but they are so comfortable. So this is gonna be one of my everyday shoes for the fall, because down here in the fall it gets into like the 70s and I can still wear them. But so I got those. So that's what I got from the RealReal. But those 2 bags, like, I'm not gonna say I'm not saving for my Chanel Jumbo anymore. I'm gonna continue to save, but these are going to, you know, scratch that itch while I wait. Like these, and they're leather bags. Like, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna get the Jumbo in all its $3,000, $4,000 glory, but this just, you know what? Let's try it on so that you can see how fabulous it is. Let's try it on. So here's the bag in all of her glory. Of course, she's not packed out, so she's a little bit slender right now, but this is how I've been wearing the bag. The thing that I love about it too is that I can wear it long ways, and so if I wanted to do the crossbody style, I could wear it like this, or I could wear it on my shoulder long ways. Oh, no, let me not do that. I could wear it on my shoulder long ways. However I want to do it. That's like 3 ways that I can wear this bag, but normally I wear it like so. But you know what? Standing here, I wonder, just like the Chanel Jumbo, ooh, y'all, just like the Jumbo, let me pull it all the way in, I can also wear it as a clutch. Oh! I shouldn't get so excited. But yeah, so this is the Chanel. This is the Rebecca Minkoff affair bag. I love it. Like I said, I don't know if I'm not going to save for the Chanel Jumbo anymore, but this will definitely like scratch my itch for right now. I will say that if I find it in a black, I will buy that one also, and then that will complete my collection. Because I just think a classic black bag is what every woman needs. So yeah, hope you like her. Let me know, do you have this bag? And if you do, why haven't you told me about it? But yeah, and remember, if you're gonna buy this, I'm gonna leave a link below to a blog post that I did on this bag, and a link to ones that I have found, and some Chanel dupes. So check the link below. Okay? All right, love you. We never pay retail. I'm off. Bye bye.